everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we have special guest, that is Tapsi Upadhyay, and she's agreed to take a interview of her. It's a great thing for us. What do you say? She has become like famous person, I can say, in the name of BTech Pani Puri. You might have heard it or not, but you can see in the Instagram her page, her video is everywhere. She made a huge big like celebrity kind of a thing sense thing. So yeah, I thought, like, I met her in Sadhana Forest, and I thought I will record some her story, everything, so that it will inspire you also as well. So yeah, I shouldn't miss this chance. So I'm here with her. Okay, I will give it to her like a. Can you just tell your name? Meaning is also a unique meaning. I just got to know. Can you tell the meaning of your name and where are you from, and yeah, what is your education and all?
Yes, so Hare Krishna, Namaskaram. I am Tapsi Upadhyay, also known as BTech Pani Puri Wali, a lovely name, fame given by people like you, people like her. And thank you so much for having me here on board, for inviting me for this interview. This is really an opportunity for me to be here, to get introduced to you people, and whatever I can bring to you, I'm open for that. So, asking what is the name and what is the meaning of my name? The name is Tapsi, and Tapsi means goddess of forest,
Wow.
and also beautiful, divine. Yes. And I did my graduation in HEP triple major course from Bangalore, and I also pursued BTech engineering, computer science. And via doing this, when I was doing my BTech in computer science engineering, I also initiated this startup called BTech Pani Puri Valley, which came out of a vision to revolutionize the food industry, basically, to make it accessible and available to people where they don't have healthy, vegan, nutritious, hygienically prepared, and of course at the same time affordable food options. So we came up with this idea, why not to serve the society? If we have that knowledge, if we have that experience and everything that we have gathered so far, why not to give it back to the society? And the other vision that we came up with this startup because of to empower women. So women empowerment and food revolution was two of the visions that we came up, that helped us to came up with this startup.
Wow, that's a great thing to hear from you. Like how beautiful your name is also, and the vision you have, and you have that helping nature to help even women and everyone, right? And you wanted to cure everything. So before this, like Pani Puri, like how come like you have completed your education, right? And you jumped into suddenly to the Pani Puri, selling the Pani Puri, and before that you said vegan food you wanted to distribute and all. So how come you got introduced by this, or like you are born with that, like how it is like
Okay, so I'm a born vegetarian. I belong to Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. You might have heard of.
Yes.
So it's long ago when I was given this mission or vision in my life to become an IAS officer, because being so studious and curious to solve these societal problems which I used to face here and there, and of course the society was facing. So my parents given this chance, or parents given this lifelong ambition to me, why don't you become an IAS officer? You'll be having so much of power, resources and everything, whatever you require in your life to serve the society, if you really want to serve the society. So I was so dedicated to become an IAS officer and to serve the nation, being in the system and being in the power. As you asked, how come a switch? So this was all of a sudden when I prepared for my UPSC civil services. I completed my study. I completed the entire course, and I was about to pursue for the preliminary exam. Yes, and though I prepared for mains as well, but by the time I could get that eligibility criteria, 21 year is the age criteria that you're eligible to appear for the exam. So prior to appearing for the exam, likely a month or two before, it just dawned to me. I was looking at in the mirror and I asked myself, do I really need to become an IAS officer to serve the society,
2 days
to
before.
serve the nation? Yes, likely a month or two before. That's all.
Okay.
And then I answered myself. I mean, seriously, it after you prepare for something and after having so much dedicatedly worked so much for it, that was your lifelong vision to become an IAS officer and then to serve the society, and then a month before you have this thought in your mind, standing in front of the mirror, that do I really need to become an IAS officer? This is something. I mean, this is something very awful.
Yeah.
But I answered no. I don't need to become an IAS officer. So yes, as you don't need to go to the borders of the nation to serve the nation or to secure the nation, you can do it from wherever you can or whoever you are, by being a real human being, by serving the society in whatever terms possible by you, you can do that. It's just that it's a matter of thought. So I abandoned that. I abandoned my vision of becoming an IAS officer.
Okay.
Yes. And then I took about 6 to 8 months. I took a rest of about 1 month to come up with, of course, I wanted to solve so many problems in the society, but where to start from? What to start from? And how do I do it? So it took me about 8 months and I came up with my own startup called BTech Pani Puri Wali, doing all the practical research, all the research, innovating the Pani Puri, coming up with everything, it was a head-on startup. Yes.
So how come you became vegan first?
My journey of becoming a vegan, I was studying in Bangalore, so I faced this problem to not have good quality of North Indian food back then.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, but with the real taste of North Indian food back then at affordable prices nearby or in the vicinity of my college premises. So I came up with this idea, why not to start and why not to serve to all those students who are in Sikh, who are also looking out for something else, something like this. So I started my own food startup, and that's how I became the youngest entrepreneur of the university.
Oh my god.
Back then. So I started that. So this was something, you can say this is my quality or something, that whatever I feel this needs to be solved, I work for that. So I became the youngest entrepreneur, but during the COVID, I got to go back to my hometown and I had to shut my restaurant out of those unpredictable situations. And then I started preparing for UPSC Civil Services, and to retain my memory, to become more productive, to become more creative, to enhance my abilities, capabilities. I came across so much of study material, videos and everything that taught me how important yoga and meditation is. Of course, I got to know about a sattvic lifestyle.
Wow.
Then I got to introduced with the lifestyle, which is, of course, you're asking about veganism. And that's how I became a vegan and, of course, a sattvic.
Oh, that's nice. I can add a vegan plus sattvic.
Yeah, sattvic vegan lifestyle I follow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice to hear. Like it's a like we can see that there is a like every superhuman or Superman story is like interesting, right? And you too have the interesting things in your life.
Yes.
She has this pani puri stalls, and do you have anything like branches, all those things, or
Yes.
one stall?
We started from one stall that was all mine when we started, but then we also worked on franchisee model. We didn't carry it on all along because I believe for what real causes we started this business or startup, they were left out somewhere in the fame, recognition, people appreciating a lot and all. So we want those concepts to be carried on, revolutionizing the food industry and empowering women. So taking a shift now, keeping all those cards and everything that set up that we built, and we have given it to the women, and they are running their families, and they're happily running it.
So you have given to the other people.
Yes, belonging
so they
to the marginalized section of the society.
Okay, so now you give that thing to other people. Then now, what is your vision? Like I can bet that she can't sit simply because I seeing that her energy, everything. I know there will be something in your mind. It's like another target
it's
or
never
anything.
settled down. Absolutely. So as I said, since my childhood, I was so curious to solve, to explore, and by God's grace, I got to get exposure of so many things at a very early age. And maybe that's what people ask me, how come you at such a young age you could do so much, you could achieve so much, you could get so much of success at this young age. So the answer is because of all that exposure that I got during my life, during this journey of my life. So as you asked, what is up, and you can't
Next
settle
plan.
down. So yes, I never settle down. So I have a lot of small stories of my life, and this pani puri is going pretty well, and we were very appreciated, happy with that, and still going on very well. Now we are out with something. It's a surprise.
Surprise! Don't want to expose
It's a
you
big
can just
surprise.
give a clue or something. Even they can also bless you.
Yeah, sure. So of course, so this is the movement, mass movement for the people, by the people, and of the people. So this is a mission called Mission Healthy Bharat,
Wow.
under which we started BTech Pani Puri Wali, and now under which again we are going to start another adventure of us, which is called Sampoorn Bharat Yatra. And we are
Sampoorn Bharat
doing this Sampoorn Bharat Yatra. That means an all India trip. So we are doing this Sampoorn Bharat Yatra for 4 of the major key aspects.
Okay.
Earlier when we started the BTech Pani Puri Wali, it was for 2. Now the other one is going to be for 4.
4.
Climate change, animal cruelty, lack of health education, and extreme poverty.
Okay.
So this is going to be a 2-dimensional approach where one stands for awareness and other one is for availability.
Okay.
Yes, so we are covering all 28 states and 8 union territories. And yes, of course, I won't be telling everything about it.
Oh my God.
So just an introduction. Like I'm riding with a bullet bike,
Wow.
riding a bullet bike, Royal Enfield, Pan India, not even leaving all 2 of our islands. So covering Andaman
that
and
too?
Nicobar and
Oh
Lakshadweep
my
as well.
God.
Yes, all the 28 states and 8 union territories.
So you are going to ride the bike to all the places to spread these 4
Awareness,
values.
yes.
Yeah. Oh my God, that's a huge thing. Good
you.
luck for your
Thank you.
dreams, and
Thank you so much.
you achieve a lot of these things one after one. How about your family supported you? Because many people will say no. If my family supports, then I could have come forward like you. So what do you want to say about that? How is your family supported, and what message you want to give? Like if the family is not supportive, yeah.
So I would say, if your family is not supporting you, that means there is something wrong with your own things. If you are confident enough about your own things, if you're confident enough about doing all these things, whatever you want to pursue in your life, then they will be sure of, they'll be confident about you as well. There is nothing like family do not support, family members do not support, or family doesn't support. It's nothing like that. Believe me, this dream of becoming an IAS officer was given to me, considering me a very academic, studious kid, and who used to win all of the trophies in different various backgrounds.
Yeah.
I used to dance, I used to sing, I used to be in the choir, I used to do karate sports as well. I'm an international karate player. So having an exposure of so many things, my parents were pretty sure that yes, one day I'll become an IAS officer. I qualified IIT JEE. So this and all gave me the better idea, like what they are supposed to make me in my life. And when this lifelong ambition given by them was, of course, kind of broken for them, it might have been a disheartening moment for them. But believe me, I was pretty sure, even after abandoning, even after dropping what I really wanted to pursue in life, even after doing that, I was pretty sure I'll do something in my life. At that moment, I wasn't knowing what, why, how, when. But though I was pretty sure, I was pretty quite confident that my parents were okay. Later on, okay. But
Yeah.
of course, initially, if they're not supporting you, let them be like that. You keep on doing what you want to, and you just keep on pursuing what you want to pursue in your life. But be sure that you are putting all of your efforts. You're dedicated enough. You're having so much of exposure about the things that you're doing, and you're dedicating your time, energy, productivity, and everything so much that you yourself is confident enough first. Then your family and all would be okay. There is no problem with that.
Yeah.
Once they see you achieving success in life, they'll be in the picture.
Yes. Yeah. That just remind me the thing, like I was doing painting, and my mother, like I used to do creative painting. So my mother is like, she can't understand what you're doing, simply wasting colors and all. I don't understand. No. So for that I got an award, state award, and she
Oh,
said
wow.
after that, like she was like, okay, you do whatever you want. So yeah, like you should be like so much believe in yourself and put effort for that, then automatically everything will align. I can say that,
Of
even
course, of
family,
course.
everything. So can you tell me the difference between your pani puri, BTech pani puri, and the normal pani puri? What is the difference?
So, in terms of the ingredients, in terms of how we prepare it, in terms of the price, so the pani puri that we prepare, it is oil free, zero oil pani puri. We bake it rather deep frying it. Then the pani that we prepare is made up of all the ingredients which are naturally sourced. So we don't mix anything which is chemically sourced. So
Mm-hmm.
no chemical is used. Pani puri is something which can boost your immunity if it is made up of natural ingredients like
Mm-hmm.
tamarind, coriander, mint, and everything like that, cumin, roasted cumin. But when you add anything which is processed, which is chemically sourced, or which is unhealthy for your health, it in turns damages your health or damages your gut system, gut health. So every of the ingredients where we source it from, it's naturally prepared, naturally resourced. All the natural ingredients, mint, then we have pink Himalayan rock salt. Instead of white salt, we use pink Himalayan rock salt. Then the stuffing, it's only made up of potatoes and chana, nothing added to that. Then chutney, yes, the very important part of pani puri, how we sweeten it. So it is not sweetened by sugar. We sweeten it with either jaggery or dates or a mix of it, depending upon the customer's this thing, how you want to how would you like to have it. Then we don't add any color. So usually red color is added to chutney. We don't add any color. So the color comes out to be naturally red when we mix dates and jaggery. So jaggery, dates, and then tamarind pulp. That's all. And when it comes to sustainability, eco-friendliness, we only use packaging material or serving material which is eco-friendly, completely eco-friendly. None of the packaging or serving material is made up of plastic. So we take care of all the aspects, all the factors. Yes,
So how you made the puris and all?
we
With
bake it.
you
Yeah.
bake it,
Yes,
air fryer you use.
yes. So we don't deep fry it with the oil, which is multiple time
Yeah.
used, because that damages your health to another level.
Yeah.
You cannot even think of. So the oil is the only problem,
Yeah.
which I think is
Very dangerous. Yeah.
very dangerous.
So the puri, the base is the wheat or what, or
Yes, wheat, whole wheat.
only whole wheat? Okay, you make that for like, or else like we get that.
We prepare our own puris.
Okay, that's nice. So okay, you got to know that it's a pure healthy
Yes, also
option.
we started with pani puri, but then we added a lot more food to it.
Hmm.
We also added South Indian food with millet options, which is completely vegan, of course. And then we added healthy drinks. We also added healthy sweets, naturally sweetened with dates, jaggery. Yeah,
Hmm.
3-4 varieties of sweets and a lot more food to it. So the BTech Pani Puri Wali is only the brand, but yes, it is a holistic brand.
What is
Yes.
the price for that?
We
We sell it.
match the local vendor's price.
Okay,
Yes.
same price how you get from outside other
Yes.
things.
Yes.
That's great. Matching the price is also very important.
Yes, it is very
Yeah.
important because,
Yeah.
as I said, we worked on 4 or 5 pillars before we
Hmm.
initiated this startup. How to make it affordable, how to make it
Hmm.
healthy, how to make it everything vegan, how to make it affordable at the same time, so that masses can afford. Because when it comes to India, majority of the population belongs to that section or segment of the society where they look out for something which is affordable
Yeah.
and they can afford to have it. So that is what we worked upon.
Very nice. So you were there in Bangalore, right?
Yes,
How many years?
I was in Bangalore for about 4 years.
So
I
yeah.
did job also in Bangalore.
Oh,
I've done so many things by God's grace. I'm so lucky to have exposure in various fields.
yeah.
Yes,
So how did you feel the Bangalore? Just asking out of the
Bangalore,
question.
I love Bangalore. So my family knows, everybody knows
Hmm.
whenever I go, and if they ask me which is your favorite place, so of course I love India. I love different terrains of India, or mountains, beaches, and everything. But when it comes to a city, particularly which city I like, so I've been to so many cities. Maybe I've traveled across the nation, but still I would say I love Bangalore.
Wow, that's nice. So do you know Kannada? Any some words or anything else you
Yes,
learned?
of course. I love to learn different languages. So when I was in Bangalore, of course, I was so busy doing so many things because I became the youngest entrepreneur. Handling everything and all. But yes, as I love to learn different languages, I got to learn Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu a bit, and also Kannada.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, whatever I could. But it's been years, so now it's not on top of my head, but yes, I understand.
So can you speak some word, anything?
Chanagidiya.
Nice. So you have a branches, right? For your thing you have given to other people also. Is there any branches going to happen in Bangalore?
Bangalore, good question. So BTech Pani Puri Wali is a street business.
Yeah.
It's a street stall business,
Hmm.
and I believe in Bangalore it's quite difficult to have a place to put up a stall in streets.
Hmm.
And I also believe that this is a good system in Bangalore
Hmm.
because the space allocation, of course, the road safety and keeping everything in mind, it is good to not have stalls on
Hmm.
roads. But when it comes to those poor or marginalized section of the society, they afford to start only those small scale startups or those small stalls only. So keeping that also in mind, we have to have something. So there must be some, if there are, I'm not aware basically, there are any vending zones specially assigned for this kind of businesses or this kind of small scale startups. So probably we'll be having carts in Bangalore as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much giving time for us to shoot for this. And I guess you might be waiting. Like you should wait for next time. You can meet her personally to in your place by.
Absolutely, absolutely. We have a website and we have all of our social media platforms as well. We will keep you posted, guys, about everything that we are doing because this is not for us. This is not for us personally. This is for all of us. So let's join this movement for let's unite all together for making
Yeah.
a better, a
World.
healthy, and innovative India.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can create a beautiful world
Yes.
also. And yeah, like small drop, it will make a ocean. So
Yes.
we all can be that ocean drop, right?
Absolutely.
So yeah, you should be waiting for her to come to your place with a bike, right?
You can wait for me or maybe to meet me in person, but don't wait for a change. Don't wait to make a change.
Yeah.
Just start right now.
Yeah.
This is the moment to do something, anything, whatever you want
Hmm.
or whatever you think of.
Yes.
This is the moment. No moment is the right moment to start. Don't wait for anything. Just do it right now, right away.
Yeah, thank you so much. And it was a nice pleasure. And I can see her energy also, like she's full of energy. I can make out that, and I can bet that she will be in future. She will be doing something and all. She don't have that personality to sit. I can see that while talking and the behavior, everything. And yes, nice meeting you. Thank you for
Nice
coming.
meeting you too, and it's really my pleasure, my honor to meet you, to have me on board, and of course, meeting you guys.
Yeah. So if you want to see her works and all, I could like you can go to the description. I can give you the links of her Instagram, all those things. So you can see her works also. It is very beautiful. You can just go and look into that. And thank you for coming.